Hariom and good morning. This is Sanvi of class 9. Life and time are world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time and time teaches us the value of life. With these words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, let's begin with today's Chin News. Youth must have self-confidence, faith in education. Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi in Atmanirbhar Bharat seminar. Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi addressed the youth of the nation in a seminar where he shone a light on the importance of education and self-confidence for transforming India into Atmanirbhar Bharat in the upcoming years. Prime Minister said that education and skill development will help the nation in becoming self-reliant. He also talked about how the national education policy will help the students encourage regional languages in the nation. 1 in 4 people will have hearing problems by 2050, World Health Organization. The first ever global report on hearing said that the causes of many of the problems such as infections, diseases, birth defects, noise exposure and lifestyle choices could be prevented. 1 in 4 of the world's population will suffer from hearing problems by 2050. The WHO warned Tuesday, calling for extra investment in prevention and treatment. Girl students in UP to receive self-defense training. Girl students of more than 40,000 upper primary schools in Uttar Pradesh will learn self-defense techniques under the Mission Shakti program between March 1 and 31. Said Shri Vijay Kiran Anand, Director General of School Education, Uttar Pradesh. These classes will help rural students boost their self-confidence and self-esteem. The main purpose of self-defense training is that girls can be made physically and mentally self-dependent so that they can in any odd situation without being conflicted. Spectrograph designed for Uttarakhand telescope. The instrument will support the 3.6 meter Devastal optical telescope in Uttarakhand. An official release from the Department of Sciences said on Wednesday. A team of scientists from the Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Sciences, Nainital, with the help from the Indian Space Research Organization, have designed and developed a spectrograph. Moving to the sports news. India men's hockey team beats Germany 6-1 in first match for over a year. After being confined to the Bengaluru Sai Center for almost a year due to COVID-19 restrictions, India have resumed their proper build-up for the Tokyo Olympics. More than anything else, Graham Reid, head coach of the Indian men's hockey team, was eager to see his players get out on the field and enjoy doing what they love, playing competitive hockey. Kohli equals Dhoni's record of leading India in most tests. India vs England. As Kohli stepped out for toss in the 4th test against England at the Narendra Modi Stadium, it became his 60th test as the skipper of India and as a result he equalled Dhoni's record. Skipper Virat Kohli on Thursday equalled MS Dhoni's record of leading India in most test matches. Mary Kom appointed as chairperson of AIBA Champions and Veterans Committee. 6-time world champion pugilist Mary Kom has been appointed as the chairperson of the International Boxing Association's Champion and Veterans Committee. Now let's hear some Vidyalaya news. Subject enrichment activities. Enrichment encourages students to take a more expansive look at a concept by further research, approaching it with a different perspective or connecting it with a meaningful fact of the real world. Whatever the activity may include, the goal is to encourage further exploration, intrinsic curiosity and lifelong learning. Sustainable development. The students of our Vidyalaya have taken part in many activities in protecting the environment and promoting sustainable development. The activities focused on various issues of environment and enhance them to critically think and come up with solutions. Happiness depends on what you can give, not on what you can get. With these words of our Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda, this is Sanvi Nair signing off. Thank you and have a marvelous day.